Guys, Rough Country update. 2 weeks left before we give away 2 Rough Country lift kits. We're down to our last batch of shirts. I believe there's only a couple hundred of them left. We're going to be making a contribution to Catch a Lift Foundation for post 9/11 veterans. We're going to be going live April 4th for the giveaway, and apparently we have something special planned. I don't really know what it is, but it's special. So just a reminder for everyone who forgot or didn't know, we are going to be giving away 2 lift kits. First place winner, 1 lift kit valued at $1,500, and also $1,000 worth of Rough Country accessories of your choice. Second place winner is a lift kit with a $1,500 value. All you got to do is buy this shirt, designed by this really weird guy who works here, Kevin, and you'll be entered to win. Here's the shirt. Go ahead, buy it.